Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. In this video today I'll be reviewing this gorgeous kinky Brazilian straight lace front wig that I got from Groovy beauty products. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Keep on watching. So I got this gorgeous wig from Groovy beauty products, and it's so gorgeous, and the packaging is really nice. The hair looks so luscious. I can't tell you how great this hair looks when I first received it. The hair is so cute. The lace looks really nice, and it feels really great. Like, it has no shedding at all. The quality, I was actually shocked when the quality of the hair, like how it feels for such a great price. It feels really nice. It comes with 3 combs in the front and then 1 comb in the back. It actually comes with an elastic band, but I didn't really need to use the elastic band because it fit really nice on my head. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the front of the lace to see it was already pre-plucked, which is great, so I really didn't have to pluck a lot of it when I was applying it on my head. That's the wig is 18 inches and is 1B, and I went ahead and dyed it black because I really wanted a black hair. I mean, I love black hair. Like, I like to dye my hair black or just keep it like as dark as possible. So pretty much I dyed it, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the lace in the front. Look how gorgeous this lace is. It's at least 5 to 6 inches deep, which is so good in case you want to put it up in a ponytail or style it the way you want, or give like a nice side part. It's still gonna look very nice and gorgeous. And I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron this hair to keep it very nice and straight, and I'm using my Aunt Jackie soft all over oil. I just applied a tiny bit on my hand, and then I just applied it on my head. So I'm just using my flat iron now just to flat iron the hair to keep it very straight and to give like that nice straight look pretty much. And now, as you can see how my ends look, I'm going to go ahead and trim a bit off just to give it like that nice straight kind of look, that perfect cut that it deserves, because this hair is so gorgeous. It deserves like to be like really laid. I mean, come on. And I trimmed a bit off, at least 1 to 2 inches off. I'm just pretty much using the hot comb to lay my edges, to straighten it a bit more, to give like that natural look, so I can remove any bumpiness of that edges. Just pretty much lay it. You can use the hot comb that you put on the hub, or you can use the electric one. So now let's go ahead and lay this hair on. I'm just fitting it on my head just to see where I need to apply it. And as you can see, like, it fits so perfectly. I know I'm definitely not cutting a lot of edge out on my ear area where you sometimes can cut out a bit. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and lay my ball cap. I'm using the Got2Be Glue. I apply that all over my forehead, close to my hairline, and just go all around it. Like this. I felt like this cap was a bit tight on me, but I just had to make use of what I have. And then I'm just going ahead with the Got2Be Spray. I usually spray that right over the cap, and then just use my blow dryer to make it stick right on. Actually, my camera cut off and I didn't even notice it, and I couldn't even use that camera anymore because it just turned off on me. So I'm using a different camera. So if there's a picture change, just know that's what happened. and I went ahead and applied the Ghost Bond glue at the edge. I actually applied 2 layers, and I applied the Got2Be spray right on, and I'm going to go ahead and lay my wig. And then I usually use the clip just to take the hair away from my face so I can really focus on my edges. And then I'm just using my finger and just pressing it on. You really want to take your time when you're applying your wig on your head, especially your frontals. You don't want to just like put it right on. You want to take your time and do it sections by sections. Then I usually use my comb to lay, or I use my finger. I like to use both pretty much. Then I'm just cutting it right in the center, and just pretty much you don't want to cut straight on. You just want to move it up and down. Pretty much just try and follow your hairline itself. And then I just go back with the blow dryer just to dry my edge area by the ears. You want to make sure that place is really secured in case you put your hair up. You don't see anything. Then I just go ahead and just apply some of that Got2Be spray right on, and then I blow dry that edges. And you see how I don't really need to cut a lot of hair. I'm just cutting the lace itself. This hair is so perfect, like it fits from ear to ear, so I don't really have to cut anything now, pretty much just the lace. And then I'm just pretty much zigzagging it out. So don't ever cut your lace straight forward. You just want to follow your hairline when you cut in your lace. So now I'm just going ahead and using the Creme of Nature styling mousse, just laying that right in the front. This helps lay your edges a bit more, and also it eliminates any white patches that might show up when you apply your Ghost Bond glue or whatever glue you use in the front. And after that, I just went ahead and just part the side and just make sure I laid the hair really nice. You can see how gorgeous this hair looks. Like, it looks so great. I've never tried a kinky wig before, and I'm loving this wig right now. I am actually going to go ahead and list everything down below in my description box, so don't forget to check them out. Groovy Beauty hair. So I'm just pretty much using the mousse and just applying it right on so I don't get any fly waves. As you can see how gorgeous this wig looks. It laid really nicely. It looks very natural, and I just love it. Like, no shedding at all, and the kinkiness is still there. Even though I straightened it out, you can still see how natural it looks and how my edges are laid really nice. I hope you do enjoy this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.